Hey guys, it's the math team, Carly and Sarah, and today we're going to be reviewing the power rule. So we're going to first review the definition of a derivative, which, as you probably remember from class, is the instantaneous rate of change. It can also be called dy dx. And by dy dx, I mean dy over dx. So let's review the formula now. We're going to start with the basic equation f of x equals x to the n. And to derive that, you're going to take f prime x and then bring the exponent down to become the coefficient. And then subtract 1 from the exponent. So a basic formula for the power rule is f prime x equals nx to the n minus 1 power. Okay, let's move on to an example. For this example, we're going to be taking the derivative of f of x equals 3x squared. So first, you'll write f prime x, and then we're going to take the exponent and multiply it by the coefficient, because that would be like the equivalent of bringing n down in the last example. And then you're going to subtract 1 from your exponent, so 2 minus 1. And your overall product should be f of f prime x, 6x. Now we're going to do an example with the square root. A square root can be written with an exponent by writing x to the 1/2, which is the equivalent of square root of x. And so you basically do the same thing as last time. So it will be, when solving, it's f prime x, and then bring the exponent down to equal 1/2 x, and then subtract 1 from your exponent, and in the end you're going to get f prime x equals 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, which is kind of an ugly number, so you can always simplify it as 1 over 2 square root of x. Pause your video now for some extra practice, and we'll give you the answers in a second.